I'm going to use up the last of this paint. This what am I saying? On my base coat. It's enough to go over the edges. Should be. All right. So I'm going to pop some air bubbles in this. Seem to be getting a lot of air bubbles. I don't know why. Something to do with maybe the end of the thing, the end of the can. All right, so blah, blah, blah. I'm going to use copper. And this is Atelier copper. This is actually copper that I tried to use as a cell activator. It didn't seem to want to work for me. I know it works for a lot of people, but I don't know, it didn't work. So I am just going to add it down here. Oops. Should I add more? Okay. All right, now I'm going to add, I decided to add some interference in between this and the gold. And then, yeah, here's the gold. It is ore, this little piggy. No idea how this is going to turn out. We'll see, we'll see, we'll see. Where's my cell activator? My cell activator is a blue-black from Atelier with Australian Floetrol. Okay. Oops. My hair doesn't get in it. Okay, now I sit and wait. Just making sure all the edges are paint on it so that the paint flows down easier. It's looking pretty cool so far. Can't seem to get any more cells in the middle. It's looking pretty neat so far. Should I spin now? Just gonna move it over there a little bit. I think it looks pretty nice so far. Look at the color I'm getting here from the interference. I don't know whether I should spin or tilt. All right, let's go. Just getting some of this paint away because it's going to splatter everywhere. Oh, it's looking really nice. I like it. I don't like all the black in the middle, but I can do something to that. I don't think I need to do any more to this. I think it's just fine the way it is. That looks like a bird. I don't like the white dot there though. I'll figure out something to do with it. Something to do to get rid of it. I don't know how. Maybe if I find some paint on the edge here. That I can... I don't know if I want to do that. I was trying to make a decision of whether to modify the middle because there's so much black. I asked my sisters and they said modify it, but I asked my husband and he said leave it. So I think it looks like a bird. There's a wing there. There's air bubble popped right here, so that makes it the eye. I have a few more cells here, but something is telling me just to leave it. It's not that I don't appreciate the advice, but something is just telling me to leave it, so I think I'm gonna leave it. I'll show you a close-up. And let's see if I can get it to shine and shimmer for you. There we go. So I'm getting some pink in there from the twinkle, because there's only copper and gold in my cell activator. So anyway, I will let this dry and I will show you the results at the end of the video.